Welcome to the tutorial on how to create an area for grid overlay measurements and how to plot its results into a chart using a text panel. In this project, we already calculated the results for rain overlay, and we will create a line chart for the average water level in the area. We will start by selecting Current Situation in the ribbon bar. To add a new area, hover over Areas and select Add Empty Area. Click on the Adjust Area button in the Area Detail panel to provide the area with a polygon. Change the selection type to Polygon Pick, and click on the grass field in the middle of the project to select an area automatically. Click on Apply Selection to finalize the selection. With the area configured, we will open the TQL Query tool to create a new TQL query. With the Current Situation tab selected, hover over Query Tool and select TQL Query Tool. To create a query that calculates the average grid value for the rainfall overlay within the area, start by verifying the type of query is on Select. Next, for the type of select, choose Grid AVG. Next, for the first clause, select Grid and choose the rainfall overlay. Next, click on the Add Clause button and add a timeframe clause. Finally, add another clause and set it to Area. Verify that the newly added area is selected. Click on the Execute Query to verify that the query can be performed. Note the TQL query result that appeared below and is non-zero. With the TQL query configured, click on the text area and copy the contents. Now we will add a text panel that uses this query to visualize a line chart using HTML, JavaScript, and the Plotly JavaScript library. To add a new text panel, hover over Panels and select Add Text Panel. With the General tab selected, click on the Enlarge link next to Panel Body to open the text panel editor. With the text panel editor opened, click on the Insert TQL Plotly Graph link. Next, select the rain overlay in the Overlay Selection panel. Notice this template contains two TQL statements, starting with a $sign. This $sign is required for TQL statements to be replaced with the calculated results. We will replace the Y query with the query that we made for our measurement area. Verify that the TQL statement still begins with a $sign. Finally, we will change the timeframe clause to X, similar to the TQL statement of the X parameter. Now we can close the editor panel. Next, click on the Open Panel button below. This opens the text panel. Notice the panel is still empty. To calculate its contents, click on the Calculation cloud in the ribbon bar. Notice the panel updates, showing a line chart of the average water level over time within the measurement area. You have now learned how to add an area for measurement, create a TQL statement, and use a text panel to visualize the results using a line chart. For more information on the types of charts that can be made using Plotly, see the link in the description.